In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build product roadmaps in Miro. This step-by-step guide will take you through the essentials, making what can be a complex process much easier to manage. To get started, head over to the Miro homepage. If you're not familiar with Miro, it's a versatile online collaborative whiteboard tool that facilitates dynamic teamwork in real time. Perfect for creating visually engaging product roadmaps with your team. Once you're on the Miro homepage, look towards the top navigation bar where you'll find an option labeled Explore Templates. This serves as a gateway to a plethora of beautifully crafted templates Miro offers, designed to inspire and get you off to a flying start. Once you click on Explore Templates, you'll be transported to a library full of potential starting points. The variety might seem a bit overwhelming at first, but fear not, because we are on a mission to find something quite specific. To narrow down our choices, we'll conduct a simple search. Locate the search bar and type in roadmaps. This will streamline your options, presenting you with templates tailored specifically to product road mapping needs. Now you've sifted through the options and found the ideal template for your project. The next decision is to make it your own. Simply click on Use, which will open up the selected template in a new Miro board. This is where the magic happens. You have the canvas to begin creating a roadmap that not only aligns with your strategic goals but also resonates with stakeholders. With your roadmap template open, it's time to get creative and resourceful. You can start customizing the template to better suit your specific requirements. Miro's interface is incredibly user-friendly, featuring intuitive drag-and-drop capabilities, so don't hesitate to experiment with different board elements. Add sticky notes, tasks, milestones, and more, adjusting each component to fit the scope and timeline of your product vision. A few pro tips as you work on your board. Keep communication open with your team and involve them in this creative process. Miro supports real-time collaboration, so invite team members to contribute their perspectives. This often results in a more holistic and robust roadmap. Use color coding or icons to highlight priorities or key phases of the project. Visual cues can make your roadmap more immediately understandable to stakeholders and team members alike. Once you've tailored the roadmap to reflect your product's unique journey, take a step back and review the overall flow and details. Ensure that the roadmap is clear, comprehensive, and geared toward actionable insights. This preparation will pay dividends when you present your roadmap to your team, management, or external stakeholders. And there you have it. You've successfully created a product roadmap in Miro. It's a powerful tool that, when used effectively, can transform your strategic vision into actionable steps. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, and I wish you all the best in your road mapping endeavors with Miro.